Alright everyone, in today's video, I want to show you another way to unlock the screen pattern password, this time on the Samsung A71, for those of you who forgot your password and can't remember it anymore. On some models, you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files, or anything like that. It's just so the phone can enter recovery mode, and then you'll select the unlock option that I'm going to show you here. In a moment, I'll also talk about how you can remove your password and your Google account, but that's only if you need to. So, let's get started with the procedure. You can leave it right on this screen, and you're going to press the volume down and power buttons together. As soon as it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up button. As soon as the Samsung logo appears on the screen and the name stays there, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'm going to show you here so you can do it and unlock your device, alright? So let's go. Hold down the volume down and power buttons until the device restarts, just like we said. Let's wait just a few more seconds. Keep holding, release the volume down, and press the volume up. Now pay attention to the screen so you do it correctly. Release the power button now, and keep holding the volume up button at the top until it enters this mode here, which is recovery mode. I want to remind you that you can also try this procedure on some other Samsung models, and you'll be able to unlock them as well. So now we're going to scroll down by pressing the volume down button until the fifth option, where it says wipe data factory reset and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, scroll down again and confirm once more. Let's wait a few seconds. When you get to this screen, confirm one more time. And here your device is already being unlocked, formatted and restored to its original factory settings. You'll see it will restart and won't ask for any other default password or any PIN for the home screen of your phone. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you need to unlock your email or your Google account, we can do this unlocking even remotely. Our number will be in the video description or in the channel description. You can get in touch with me, ask your questions, make your inquiry, and also check the price for unlocking your device. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description as well. It doesn't matter how much you give, what matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.